Hi, this is Tom with BV Security. Today I want to keep talking about our newest camera, IPDF 3062 Color. Now this is our 180 degree color at night active deterrence IP camera. I'm going to show you how to set that up and schedule it so that this message plays whenever it is that's best for you. You may want to have it play during business hours. You may only want to have a message play on the weekends. Let's take a look at how we would get that set up. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up some of the new active deterrence features in our 6 megapixel panoramic IP camera. As always, I'm going to start by opening my IP portal software. This software is free. It scans our network, finds any of our IP cameras, and we'll go ahead and let you make edits and changes to the IP address, the gateway, anything like that right here inside the software. I already have this one set up, so let's go ahead and click open. Alright, so here's our camera. We're in the live view here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come all the way up to the top of the page. I'm going to click configuration. And once that loads up, I'm going to come to the left-hand panel here, and I'm going to go all the way down to event. This is where we set up alarms. And once that loads in, we're going to go ahead all the way over to the right to flashing alarm light output. Now this camera does feature 2 white lights on the front of the camera. We can set this up to flash when the camera senses motion. This helps to bring people's attention to the camera so that they know that they're being recorded and hopefully act as a deterrent to any kind of mischief that they might be up to. Down here at the bottom, we have a schedule where we can set up how often and when we want this to work. Right now it's set up for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but we know that flashing lights probably aren't going to be working too well during the day, so if I want to adjust that, I can just slide, drag, and set that up however it is I want. And I can do that for every day. And if I want every day to be the same, I can click the copy button right there, select all, and OK. I also have some options up here to change for how long the camera will flash. Right now, by default, it's set to 15, and that S over here means seconds. So the camera will flash for 15 seconds when it sees someone, but I can change that just by clicking in the box and typing a new number. And I can also change by how fast it flashes. By default, we're set at medium frequency, but you can choose to make the camera flash faster, slower, or just to turn on. Another really cool feature this has is the audible alarm output, which you can see right here. We're going to go ahead and click that. And once that loads up, see we're under warning for sound type. Type of warning is going to be a siren. How many times we want that siren to go off, and how long we want it to be. We have the same schedule down here at the bottom. It works exactly the same. We can drag it, we can copy it, we can paste it, whatever it is we want to do to make it right for us. And then we also have some options here to choose the type of warning that we want to get. So as you can see, by default it's set to siren, but you also have different options such as warning, this is a restricted area, warning, this is no parking zone, danger, keep away, or even just welcome. And we can go ahead and just choose any one of these that we want. If you want to see how it works, you can click test.
Warning, this is a no parking zone.
And once all that's saved in, we're good to go. So now this camera will play that sound when it senses movement in between these hours any day of the week. And go ahead and click save if we like that. And that's it. We've now set up all the advanced detection settings in our new 6 megapixel IP camera. All right, there you have it. It's as simple as that. Again, this is Tom with BV Security. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time.